investor ka, you already know this. Money hates staying still. Kung may mabilis na return ngayon, ito ay Pampanga. Let's be real. Habang nagdadalawang isip ka, investors in Pampanga are already winning. Why? Pampanga is one of the few locations in the Philippines na may consistent 8% to 12% annual value appreciation. Ibig sabihin, kung hindi pa kumikita ang iba, ikaw, compounding na ang asset mo. Clark Airport expansions. New business hubs. International companies coming in. New expressways. Commercial centers. Lahat yan ay hindi opinion. Lahat yan ay data yan. And every time developments opens, property prices jumps again. Investors know one rule. Buy ahead of the boom, during, not after. Now, Pampanga is still on the sweet spot. Affordable pa, pero mabilis ang galaw ng market. Land is limited. Demand is rising. OFWs, retirees, corporations, lahat papunta sa Pampanga. Alam mo, ibig sabihin nun, higher competitions, higher prices, higher returns sa mga nauna. If you wait, you pay more. If you act now, you profit more. Ganon kasimple. Kung investor ka na naghahanap ng mataas na ROI, this is it. Strike while the market is climbing. Message me, Migoy, the Trusted Realtor. Let's secure your next high return Pampanga investment habang mababa pa ang price entry. See you on my next videos.